Hi guys, I just thought I'd show you something cool that I've discovered today, which is how to use your iPhone as a camera. So that's what I'm using now. As you can see, it's a little bit delayed, but it's an app called Epoccam. So right now I'll show you what I'm doing. I've got this little app on my phone called Epoccam, and then on my screen, okay, it's called Epoch Viewer. So you need to Epoccam Viewer. So you need to download that as well. And you get that from this website called Canoni.com. Scroll down and you download the drivers for, depending on when you're on Windows and Mac, so if it's your work computer, you can get the Windows one. You can download this Epoccam Viewer, and then you need to download the app also on your iPhone. You connect those up and they go over Wi-Fi. I'm not sure if this works at work yet with our network, but it definitely works quite easily on a home network. And you can use it from anywhere instead of a document account. So I thought I'd share that. Enjoy.